Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this guide clip in FreeCAD. As you can see that I have already modeled it with respect to our isometric drawing, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on an equal interval of a time once the new features came. And once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So I will close this file and create a new file, and here I will create a body, and I will on my origin plane, and I will select this front plane and click on the sketch, go to the model tab, and I will hide my origin plane. Now here this will be our base feature, and this edge will be lie on our axis. So first I will create the two circle, and I will give it a radial dimension which is of R25. so I will select it, select on a radial dimension, and I will give it 25. Inner one R15, because this is the 30, which means R15, and this outer one is R25. Now we will keep this edge on this axis, so we will select horizontal dimension and give the horizontal dimension of 35, and now I will select the line tool, and I will draw the tangent line at top and the bottom. And now I will keep this edge on my axis, so I will select the axis and this point and add the coincidence constraint. And now I will select the polyline tool and I will create a profile, and similarly I will also create on the top side, select the polyline tool, now this will be vertical. And now next thing which we will do is to trim the unnecessary geometry. So click on the trim the internal and trim this arc as well. Now we will read the dimensions. So here we can see that here is a 45 and this is the R13. So this outer radius R13 and this slot center is concentric. So 45 plus 13 from this edge. So we will select this edge and give 45 plus 13. And now we will constrain by moving that what is the unconstrained. So there is no any tangency. So we will select and create the tangent. And here thickness is 10 mm is given, so we will simply select this line and give the distance of a 10 mm. And now from the center, here is a hole is a 15 mm plus 28. So we will select the horizontal dimension, select this point and origin point, and we will add 28 plus 15, 28 plus 15. And we will move it to outside. And now here is a 13 mm thickness is given, so we will select it and add the dimension of a 13 mm. And now we will constrain the total height. So for total height we can see here it is a 45. So we will simply select this line and add the dimension 55 here. So we will give it 55. So now our sketch is fully constrained. We will come out of the sketch, and total extrusion length is of 64. So click on the pad and click on the length, and also click on symmetric to the plane, switch to isometric and click on OK. So this is the piece feature which we have made. Now our next feature is to create this slot. So we will select the face and click on the sketch. We will rotate our model and we will project this two edges and click on the rectangle, and here we will delete this line and click on the 3-point arc and create an arc. And now we will add the tangency. Now we will switch to the wireframe for better visibility. So slot is of 12.7, so we will select it and give it 12.7, and this center is of 32 plus 20, which means it is a 52. So we will select this point and this point and give it 52. Now we have to constrain this center. So it is a 25 from the top, so we will select this point and this point and give the dimension of 25, and I will move my dimensions. Now close it, flat lines, and click on the pocket, and from here say through all, say OK. Now our next feature is to create this cut. So we will select the face, click on the sketch, rotate our model, click on project geometry, select the rectangle, and this is of a 9.5 and 6, so we will select it, give 9.5, and this is the 6. Now I will move it, close it, click on the pocket, and from here say through all, say OK. Now our next feature is to create this hole. So for this I will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will create a hole on this axis, and from the edge hole position is 28, so we will click on project geometry and project this edge, click on the dimension tool, select this point and this one, edit sketch, select this point and this point, and add the distance of a 28, and this is of a hole of dia 25, so we will select the diameter, give it 25 and close it. Now we will click on the pocket tool. In fact you can also made it with the whole feature, but I have used the pocket tool. Click on the pocket and give the dimension 15 mm. Click on OK. Now our next feature is to create this cut. So we will select the back face, click on the sketch, and we will project these two edges. So click on project geometry, select this edge and this edge, and we will switch to this view, left side, and now we can see here the radius of 25. Now we will select the 3-point arc and create a arc. Now select the line, now select this arc and line and add the tangency and make this vertical. Now we will close our profile, and this arc will be have the coincidence relation with the line, and we will select the arc and click on the radial dimension and give it 25, and this center is of 25 from the top, because we can see that its slot center and this center are in the same line. So I will select these 2 points and give the dimension of 25, click on close. Now this cut depth of 13 mm, so we will select the pocket tool and give the 13 mm, click on the OK. So we have got the cut as per shown in the drawing. Now our next feature is to give the fillet of R13 at these 2 corners. So we will rotate our model, click on the fillet, select this edge and this edge and give the R13, click on OK. Now select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, and I will select the slot tool and create a slot, and this slot of the 11 mm. So I will select these 2 points and add the 11 mm dimension. Now close it, click on the pocket tool and say through wall, say OK. Now if you see, there is a common note, all fillet and rounds are the 3R. So I am not going to make the fillet at all the locations, but I will add the fillet at these 2 locations. I will select this edge, and this edge, and give the radius 3. Click on OK. Press Ctrl 7. Place 0 for isometric. Now you can see that we have made all the features of this guide clip, and I will now go to the body, go to the appearances, and here I will apply the material. I wanted to apply the chrome. Click on the close. So you can see that we have successfully completed this tutorial modeling of a guide clip. I hope you have liked this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.